Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to integrate Clickup with Microsoft Teams so you can create tasks, get updates, and manage everything without leaving Teams. It's pretty simple, and yeah, I'll walk you through each step. So, start by opening your Clickup workspace. Head over to your settings, and on the left side, look for the section called Apps or Integrations. This is where all the external tools connect. Next, scroll through the integrations list until you see Microsoft Teams. If the list feels long, just use the search bar. Once it appears, click on the Teams tile to open the setup screen. Click the Connect button. A Microsoft sign-in pop-up will show up. Choose your Teams or Office 365 account, then press Allow. This lets Clickup send notifications and create tasks from inside Teams. Now open Microsoft Teams. On the left sidebar, click Apps, search for Clickup, and install it. The app adds a dedicated Clickup tab where you can browse tasks, spaces, and even create new tasks directly from Teams. In any Teams channel, click the plus icon at the top to add a new tab. Choose Clickup from the list, then pick the list or space you want that channel to stay synced with. This lets your team view tasks without switching tools. To test it out, hover over any message in Teams, click the three dots, and choose Create Clickup Task. Add a title, assign it, maybe set a due date, and save it. The task appears instantly inside your Clickup workspace. Super handy. And that's it. Clickup and Microsoft Teams are now fully connected.